Okay, this is part 2 of giving your soul to someone else accidentally, or having it snatched, or what have you. Okay. Some people call it selling. I don't know. I'm not really talking about that today, but we are talking about giving away. So we're talking about the song Exchange by Bryson Tiller. And again, no shade to Mr. Tiller. I don't know him. I don't know anything about him. I have not done a reading on him. I only did a reading on this situation. Okay. All right. So, and what I did get is that he has been programmed to release material like this. Just as many of you are programmed because you're listening to it, okay? But he has been programmed. I did not get into how he was programmed, what's going on with him, did he sell his ass? I ain't get into all of that because I really don't give a shit to gut. If you want to know, if you want me to do some work on that or reading on that, then just comment and ask me to. But I'm not interested. But what I am interested in is what Source Creator asked me to put out to you guys as a warning, because this is like really rampant and it feels like this is an agenda, because I see posts now with something about my S in it. I see my soul. I could say it because I'm not doing an affirmation, but I see posts now. I'm hearing so many songs now talking about it, and it could have been going on for a long time. I don't know, but I know that we're in an ascension time, and the low vibrational spirits are running rampant. Sometimes spirits, when the person passes, the spirit doesn't go and it lingers around here. I just did a session with somebody last month where they were being tormented by a spirit that didn't leave, that passed in November. And now the spirit is wreaking havoc and it's getting stronger on this planet. But anyway, that's what we're talking about today. So anyway, the lyrics. Now, while I was listening and being nauseated, and it's not that the lyrics were bad or mean or anything, I was just getting nauseated. Now, I'm going to point out some lyrics that jumped out to me that were red flags. These are the things I felt when I heard these words. But I can honestly say, I don't really understand what this child was saying in some of this song, because I don't speak like that. I am older. I am not into this kind of music, and I don't really understand. And some of the lingo of these children today is just ridiculous to me. But you know, that's what older people always say about the younger folk and their music. Okay, so I am not pretending to understand what this man was trying to say or trying to deliver in his message. But these are some of the things that jumped out at me. Give me all of you in exchange for me. And he says this several times. Give me all of you in exchange for me. So, I mean, in my day, we would just, you know, let's be together. You know what I mean? Like, but give me all of you in exchange for me. And then at the end, you're talking about a soul. I don't know. Like, give me all of you. What does that really mean? You know what I mean? Give me all of you. It could be a trap. It could be because the language, the English language, is a spelling language. Okay? That's why they call it spelling, you know? And many words and many sentences and many phrases can mean multiple things. So you just think about it. What could give me all of you in exchange for all of me mean? It could be swapping of the S. It could mean anything. You know what I mean? And like, who are you talking to? What if you're singing these songs and there's some low vibrational being hanging around you and you're singing this song to yourself? Right? And you just repeating the lyrics. Give me all of you in exchange for me. And then here go little spirit. Oh, okay, you want me. Oh, we can exchange. Okay, swap. Okay? So you just don't know. So just be careful of the words that come out of your mouth. Okay? That's why I don't even listen to the radio, because when I started hearing the little Irish girl, and I be calling her, and no shade, but I don't like her. I'm not even going to go into what I call it because it's not nice. But the music, the things that's coming out of her mouth is so to me demonic that I can't get down with that. And people be singing that stuff. I'm like, did you hear what you said? And then this little boy, thank God I made it from the Garden of I'm in the Garden of Evil and all this shit. I was like, what the frickety fuck am I listening to? Turn that off. We don't listen to the music, the radio. I'm sorry. Because you be all caught up in the hook and don't know that you're affirming some negative information upon your life. Okay. So anyway. So just be careful about repeating that word. Give me all of you in exchange for all of me. Because you don't know who is in your realm listening to you. And they decide to swap with you. Okay? All right. And then he says, for real, shawty, you already know. And to me, you know how, now he probably is just saying, you know, you already know how I feel, whatever. I don't know. But it also could be you giving permission. Okay? Because that is another way of saying, you already know, you know, you got permission. You know, the lower side, the low vibrational ones you have to have free will. So if you agree, you already know, shawty, you know what I'm saying? You already know. Then you have just agreed to whatever shenanigans could be going on with this song programming you, okay? And again, this is alleged. I'm not saying that the song is programming you, even though Source Creator told me that this song is programming you. Okay. Got your ass in my grip. Okay. Got your ass in my grip. And the lyric just came out of nowhere. Like, I had to replay that part several times because, like, it didn't make no sense. You know, but like I'm telling you, I'm an older woman, and a lot of times these children's songs don't make any sense to me. So I played that so many times, and it really didn't make any sense. So I was like, okay, why is that even in there? Got your ass in my grip. That means I got you. So like now you already know, because for real, shawty, you already know. We're going to exchange, you know, I'm going to take you and you take me, okay, or whatever. And then it says, I want to F you over. What? What the freak? And that didn't make no sense either. And I was like, I had to listen to that several times. Like, that part didn't make any sense. I want to F you over. Okay. So you talking about how you like this person and stuff, but now you want to F the person over? Like, what? Or are you saying you want to have intercourse with them over? Or are you really saying you want to F them over? Like, that doesn't sound positive to me. So, like, these were lower things that I heard in this song that could be, you already know what we about to do. And then he ends the song with, you got my S. So, what was this? Like, what was the song all about? You know what I'm saying? Now you got my S. And that is what this person that I was doing, that was involved in this session that I was doing, who lost his soul to the girl that was doing sex magic on him, you know, I'm like, what the freak? So, and then, okay, so that's one song. Okay, and I'm going to I have two more situations that I want to talk to you about. So we're going to continue in the next one.